Hey guys, I'm Gabby and this is Caleb, and we are both as part of the Project Lead the Way classes in Montgomery High School. Both of us, we have a lot of knowledge about Project Lead the Way, and it's a great program if you're looking to go into engineering as a career and study that in college, and there's a lot of different types that you can participate in.
So you start with Introduction to Engineering Design. From there you transition your sophomore year into one of the three other curriculums that we have, either Civil Engineering and Architecture, which is based on architectural design and civil concepts. Then you have Aerospace, which is aeronautical and astronautical. And then you have Digital Electronics. That's a new course that we'll offer next year. After you transition through that, your junior year you will take Principles of Engineering. And Principles of Engineering, it coincides with physics and advanced chemistry. It is one of our only AP level courses that we offer. The other courses are all advanced credit. And then finally, your senior year, you take the Capstone Course, which is Engineering, Design, and Development. In this course, you work with a committee of engineers and the local community to build and prototype for an actual problem that you as a group decide on. So it's the bring it all into fruition at the end and see what happens.
What are some of the highlights of this pathway?
Probably the kids in the class. Usually.
Yeah, because you're with a lot of the same people that like the same stuff that you do, and I would say that the highlights is like getting to be hands-on and build.
Yeah, for sure.
Stuff.
For sure, definitely.
Whether it's on the computer or with a 3D printer, or instant challenges where you have a bunch of materials and you have to build something really quick.
You initially start with understanding concepts of the design process. So you as a group have to figure out, or you as an individual figure out, what is the problem with the situation I'm in. Then you develop concepts of generating that this is how I will solve this problem. You brainstorm through it, then you construct and prototype, and then eventually you have a design that's the final stage.
Well, probably, okay, so my dad's a teacher, and then POE one day afterwards, we played ping pong just to kind of blow off some steam, and we actually tried to build a robot that would play ping pong against you. It was an epic fail. We didn't even get anywhere close, but just being able to be creative and create basically anything in that class is a lot of fun.
So obviously when you go into college and if you want to study something along the lines of engineering, it's going to be pretty challenging. It's going to be difficult. So in high school, what we hope to do is we hope to prepare the students to go into that. So it's going to require effort, it's going to require work, but in the end, it's fun, it's rewarding, and you're doing what you love, so it's all worth it. But we do take it seriously, and if you're not 100% in it, it might not be the right thing for you. But if you are looking to go into engineering in college, then you'll have a great time. It's awesome. The teachers are awesome. The kids are awesome.
The activities that our students will do in the intro year is they design a 3D modeling majority of the first semester. So in Introduction to Engineering Design, a lot of it is first semester hands-on, instant challenges every week, every other week, putting things together and trying to solve as a team. Second semester is more 3D modeling, 3D concepts that you transition into. Later on, you'll move into aerospace, where they're constantly building, designing for airplanes in general, but height, lift, and so you go into the development of it. Even to calculations where you understand how to shift weight on a plane so you don't crash. In Principles of Engineering, my students, the most rewarding assignment is that material sorter. So those students go from a concept to a program, to a build, to a prototype, to troubleshooting, back to the prototype, to adjustments back and forth. We don't have things that have steps A through Z. You have to figure these out. And that's what the course is all about, challenging you to work through it independently instead of being taught how to do everything.
There's a tournament today. Is there a tournament today?
We're doing a tournament so they can pick teams, and then we have tournaments the next 2 Saturdays after this weekend.
All right. Are they UIL competitions, or are they what kind of competitions?
Sponsored competitions, and then we can do first robotics and we can do best robotics if we choose to in future years.
And can you earn scholarship money with this?
Yes, you can definitely earn scholarship money. There's certain robotics classes you can get college credit, and plus the experience of problem solving, and it's weighted GPA for your high school GPA.